I'm gonna see if she wants to take my seat instead. That guy's getting way too close to her.
Maybe I should ask her if she's okay.
Dude, look at her. I'd hit that.
Gross, I can't believe you just said that. Get away from her.
Hey man, cut it out. That's disrespectful.
I can't really remember what happened at the party yesterday.
Well, you were hanging all over that guy.
Hey, stop. That doesn't matter. If something happened to her last night, it's not her fault. She looks uncomfortable. I'm gonna ask her if she knows where the bathroom is. She might need help getting away from that guy. Interrupting them might distract him.
Oh, not again. I better go get him, because it's not okay that he creeps on women like that.
Dude, that's not cool. Leave them alone. You're making them uncomfortable.
I cannot believe you. You think you can just run around behind my back like I'm not gonna notice?
I can do what I
It
want.
looks like something's about to go down.
All right, yeah, if I don't like
Maybe I can distract them by asking when the next bus is coming.
I will tell you what to do. I'm gonna show you who's in charge here. Guess what? It's me.
You're not in charge.
And I told you 1,000 times, you need
Once,
to stop
alright?
doing
like
that.
the other 3 times, that was not
Allegedly,
me.
it's
This
not
doesn't
about
look good.
her.
It's getting way out of hand.
Did you
I should
really
call the
get what
cops.
You asked me a question. You accused me of doing
Look,
something.
man.
So allegedly, I did.
Hey, she missed class again yesterday.
Yeah, ever since that party a few weeks ago, she's been acting differently.
Maybe we should ask her if everything's okay. She seems depressed.
Tonight's the night, you guys.
Whoa, really? Have you talked to your girlfriend about it?
Yeah man, that's a lot of pressure to put on her. I wonder how she's going to feel about it.